Alright guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this one, I will be showing you how to get free assets every single month, absolutely for free inside of Unreal Engine. Okay, so what you need to do is open up your Epic Games Launcher. You can do that by just typing in, pressing Windows button, typing in Epic Games Launcher, or just navigating to where you store it. So under on the left panel, click on Unreal Engine. I'm already here, so I don't have to. Then you're going to be by default in the news. We want to go to Marketplace. And then for Marketplace, we want to go to free for the month. And then over here, there's a button over here on all of these that's going to say add to cart. You click add to cart on all of them. Then you click on your cart, and then you press checkout. And that's it. That's all you do to get all these free content. I do reviews on all the free content in the month, so you can see what's worth and what's not worth downloading and whatever, but I just get everything anyway. So stay tuned for that later this month if you want to see it. And that was the end of this tutorial. So now, like, subscribe, all that cool jazz if you want more content like this. Bye.